Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X6 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. Let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find passwords and security. Then let's go to the privacy section, let's tap on it. And here we have to scroll down until we will find more security settings. So encryption and credentials are really hidden in this device. Right now we can tap on this option at the top, so encryption and credentials, and almost at the very bottom of this list we've got the option we're looking for. So finally we got there. Let's tap on clear credentials, and all we have to do is to simply tap on OK. And as you can see, not only we've got this option, but also this information actually. And this option is also inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.